this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy step-by-step tutorial on how to place order on 1688 and ship from China without using agent. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So let's get started. So but before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yacob. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Talva on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation tutorial like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see the quick and easy way to buy from 1688, ship from China to whatever country of your choice. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you search for products. So using the 1688 app, so there are two methods by which you can use to search for product. You can type search, or you make use of this icon right here, which is image search. After you have successfully searched for the product, next thing you want to do is to add the product to cart, or you add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel. I have a lot of video about that. So after you have successfully add the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your cart. So at this point here, this are the product here. I'm going to make a purchase. So this is my cart right here. So I'm going to buy this particular product right here. So I'm going to buy this one right here. I'm going to buy this one. I'm going to buy this one. I'm going to buy this one. So I'm going to select them one after the other. Then I need this one. Then I need this one. And I can scroll down. I need this one. Then I need this one. Then I need this one. Then I need this one. And I need this one. All right, so having selected all the items I'm going to buy from my cart, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to check out. So you can scroll down and see all the products or all the items preview. So right now I'm paying the sum of 436 yuan to purchase all these items. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to check out. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then I click on here to proceed to payment. So at this point here, I have to enter my authorization payment password. Boom. So right here, you can see payment has been done successful. We purchased about 8 different items right away from 1688. So this is how you can buy from 1688 without using agent step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really are enjoying this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Talva on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.